welcome back again with me, Giselle. I am in grade 5 of Baptist Elementary School. Now, I want to tell you one of my hobby and tutorial about it. One of my hobby is playing a piano. As I said, I will make a tutorial how to play a piano. Let's go! This is an octave on the piano. The piano has a note. The first note is C or Do. The second note is D or Re. The third note is E or Mi. The fourth note is F or Fa. The fifth note is G or Sol. The sixth note is A or La. The seventh note is B or C, and so on. And on the piano there are not only notes, but also chords. The chord has a many basic tones, and this time I will tell you the C keys. Let's go. The keys in C. This is key C. This is D minor. This is A minor. This is F. This is G. This is A minor. And on the piano, do not use the right hand. And the chord the left hand. And now, I want to play a song, and you can learn it too. The title is My Favorite Hiding Place. This is one song of GMS song. Love You can learn it at your home too. Okay, I think it is enough for today. See you again. Bye-bye.